There's a fish. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. See? All you gotta do is just speak it into existence, everybody. Wow. This is a good smallmouth, you guys. This is a pig. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's FishBrain Shane here. I'm glad to have you with me once again. And we're gonna meet up with Mikey B today. We're gonna go do some exploring and some fishing today. And I got a feeling it's gonna be a pretty darn good day, so please stick around. I can't wait for you to see this adventure. Climbing around on the rocks with Mikey B.
Hi guys.
Right here. So we found this, or Mikey found this kind of nice little, looks like man-made little place where things have kind of, in the backwaters, kind of gathered. And this is right near the metro. It's a little bit of a hike, but man, is it worth it. Can't wait to bring you some good old-fashioned bass fishing this evening. We're gonna go for anything else that bites as well, but I'm trying to get some bass, so stick around for those. You can tell I'm a little out of breath.
It's gonna
happen, that was a
man.
long walk, man. That was,
yeah, it was
quite crazy. You know what? Check the walk out.
Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Devo. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth.
All right.
This right here that charge up fire in the pool.
Whoa! See that? Whoa! That's what it was?
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of music's playing. Probably none. Here we go. All right. So, thanks for joining us on the channel again. It's a fun time this evening. I guarantee it. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to keep your attention. And if we don't, too freaking bad, right?
We're gonna keep it tonight.
Keep it.
Keep it.
Keep.
We catch a fish. There you go.
All right, let's get the music going. Ready? There it is. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing now. First thing I'm gonna try is just a good old-fashioned jig and craw. Football jig and crayfish. I want to catch a masterful bassful. You know what I mean? Like a big one. Like a big old big one. Mississippi River masterpiece. That's what I'm looking for. Right? Here comes the craw of your dreams, big fella. Swallow that. Huh? Oh, you're already enticed, I can tell. Don't be afraid to eat. This is very, very edible. It's very nice. Makes you feel good. Especially in the mouth area. There's one. Oh, a stick! Oh, I almost got it in the face. I almost had one, man. I was there with one. You heard it. There's one. Okay. Let's try this again. You go there. I'll stay over here. We'll both do our parts. There's a fish. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. See? All you got to do is just speak it into existence, everybody. Yeah, maybe so. This is a pretty good sized fish. Wow. This is a good smallmouth, you guys. This is a pig.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. Freaking bomb. Nice fish, man.
I had to check and make sure. I could tell it was a big one. Whoa, what a fight. What a net job. Thank you, Mikey B.
Welcome.
You guys,
Wow.
talk about smashing your personal best. Whoa.
First cast with that too.
Second. First cast, I got a fish, or I mean a stick. Oh my God, Mike.
Wow.
This is a piglet.
Nice fish, man.
So they weren't this big the other day, huh?
Nope.
There we go.
Nope.
Oh,
Probably a pound more.
man, what a fish. This might be my biggest smallmouth ever, you guys. That is just a pig.
Wow.
What a smallmouth. What a beautiful fish. First fish of the night. I don't know if it's gonna get much better than this, you guys. This is pretty awesome. I'm gonna get this fish back in the water. It's been out for a little while, but I have to get a picture or two with this first. All right, so we're gonna put this big bad boy back here, get it back in the water nicely. Thank you, Mike. The recommendation was Mike's. Wow, what a nice fish. I think it's gonna go, oh, took off right away. That thing was just ready to go.
They're so feisty, man.
Whoa, what a nice fish. I'm excited, I'm excited. So what I've been doing is just taking this football jig. It's got a little glitter to it and it's kind of that green and then has one of those screw things right on it. So I just run this right up the hook, the crayfish, and you know it's gonna go down like this. You know that's the way that it hits. So you want it to look as natural as possible. That's the top of the crayfish, that's the bottom, right? So you run that on just like that. And then you see that spring right there? You just screw that on there. They make that so that it makes your bait less apt to come off. And it does take a little bit of doing when it's on the hook like this. I've got it all the way up the jig there. And now the presentation is gonna be exactly correct because that's gonna hit just this way. I don't know if they're gonna be in the same spot, you know?
Be all over. Although they were stacked up.
There's one. Oh my gosh. Talk about the same spot.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
On the net.
Oh my goodness, you guys. That's another just massive smallmouth. Holy cow, is this thing fighting?
Next personal best.
Wow. Holy cow.
Ah, buddy.
Jeez. Jeez. Oh.
Oh, man.
Man, that is a dang good fish right there. That is a respectable smallmouth, man. I mean, just 2 out of 3 casts? Are you kidding me?
Awesome.
2 out of 3 casts?
Awesome, man.
Holy crap. This craw is just something they love. And this thing is so fat and girthy. Look at that fish. What a beautiful fish, man.
Nice work, Shane.
Just a pig. Wow. That is exciting. Man, what an exciting day. You know what? I think we're just gonna put it back. I'm not gonna worry about it. That's a beauty. I'm just admiring it still.
It is beautiful.
That was a great fight.
So feisty.
Man, what a fight. All right. Let's see if we can slow-mo this release so maybe you see this thing take off. You ready? Here we go. Dude, that's 2 out of 3 casts. Third cast in this same area. Is there fish still there? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh no, I think I was snagged. Or something. I don't know what just happened. I'm not sure what just happened.
That looks fishy to me.
That was pretty big. Whatever that was. We're gonna review the tape on that one.
There we go. There's the fish.
Oh, Mike's on one here. Looks like another brownback.
That's fun on this rod.
He got the ultralight.
The old ultralight. Looking at fun. Oh, there it goes.
Got off.
Yep. Got off. Nice fish, though.
Oh, look.
Good bit on this guy. Oh, here's a rock bass. Maybe a sunny.
That looks like a sunny. This one's for you, Big Ben. Found this down here at the side of the Mississippi River. I'd call it 80 years old, something like that.
What's up, Big Ben?
What do you think, Mike?
Sweet, dude. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh jeez.
Oh, Mike's got one. Feisty one even.
Oh, flip away.
Wow. Oh, a jumper. He's pretty green yet, Mike.
There, man.
Oh boy.
Be all right. Come on, baby.
Oh, nice fish, Mike. Look at that one. Don't get the landing penalty.
I'm landing.
Don't let him hit the ground.
All right.
Oh yeah. No landing penalty for the Mike. Oh, hey, behave.
Let's get your hook.
It's
I
nice.
can hold you with my right hand too. Yeah, they're liking
Oh,
that.
yes.
They're liking that middle spot right there.
Nice fish, Mike.
Real nice. He's trying to bite me good.
That's awesome on an ultralight pole.
Yeah.
Pretty
it's
dang
really
sweet,
fun.
man.
10
It's pretty
feet
awesome.
away.
Yeah.
Super green when they come up.
I think, again.
There you go. Hammer time.
What is that? That looks like a rock bass. That's exactly what it is. Or is it a warmouth? That's pretty bronzy.
It looks a lot like that picture, but I think it is a rock bass.
I think it's a rock bass too.
They have a pure red eye, like all red eye. I don't know, man. That might be a warmouth.
It's a brownish red eye. Let me see your eye. What do you guys think? Warmouth or rock bass? I'm gonna put it back either way. Cool little fish, one way or the other. Bye. Oh, there's a fish.
Nice. Yeah.
Just a little jumper. Man, is this a fun fight on this 7-foot light rod though. Made for panfish. Oh. Gonna let him wear himself out. He's just a little guy. All right, come here, feller. There we go. Just be nice now. I don't want to hurt you.
Yeah, that one was feisty.
That's a feisty little fish. Pretty darn cool. Caught all sizes. Let's get him back in. See you later, bud. Bye.
A lot of daylight left.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I had a northern foul hooked. I had him hooked and then I had him foul hooked and I saw him about this long. Not very big. So there is some northerns out here. I absolutely saw that fish. There we go. There's a fish. That's the one I've been waiting for, you guys. It's a decent fish. It's a northern. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, snake.
I actually set the hook properly this time. No worries. I actually set the hook properly this time, so not bad there. Got him. He's been messing with me, and he might have even cut me off once. He doesn't have my other jig in his mouth quite yet, but this time I set the hook properly. You guys, I am a pan fisherman by trade, as you know, and I have the long 7-foot rod, and I've kind of become accustomed to setting the hook with the rod and kind of reeling into it and, you know, just tightening it up. This bass fishing is teaching me a bit of a lesson tonight, and northern fishing obviously teaching me a bit of a lesson tonight that I need to set the hook when I'm fishing for bigger fish, that's for sure. What do you think, buddy? You want to go back in there, or you want to be dinner? Huh? All right, we'll put you back. We'll get you back in there. All right, so we'll get him back. See you later, bud. Bye. Slimy. There, I got something. Something bit that out there. I don't know how big it is, but I don't know. Maybe. What is it?
Pretty well, huh?
Oh, it's just a little bass. But at least I know they like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can get him. Thank you, Mike, though. Wow. Nice little guy. Okay, we're going to get the hook out of him. Come on, hook. There we go. Yeah, just a little guy. He hit something about, I don't know, quarter his size, third of his size. He's a cute guy, though. Been a great night. Let's get this guy back. See you, bud. Hey, man, we had a lot of fun tonight, me and Mikey B.
We did.
I'm telling you something right now. We caught some cool fish. It was an awesome time. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so.
You better subscribe.
Please do so. Please do so.
Subscribe.
Please do so.
Subscribe.
Okay, that's enough of that. Let me tell you something. The next adventure is going to be amazing. Wait until you see what we got planned. Mikey B, don't tell them about it. Don't spoil it. Hey! The next one's going to be awesome. This one was awesome. The next one's going to be awesome. And the one after that, I'm not sure about that. But it's going to be awesome!
Are we fishing?
I think we're fishing. You know what? FishBrain Shane out.